guys, Teddy has asked me to do a little bit more of an effort to present some more cooking videos. So tonight for dinner we're having Thai green chicken curry, but Bunny's version. So on the table I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use for the curry. So here we've got some chicken breast diced up. Here we've got some onions, and also in these two bowls we've got a couple of old aubergine and mushrooms, about 4 or 5 mushrooms all chopped up. We have got some Khalifa Lime Leaves, and then this is stock made from a curry paste, Thai green curry. And here we have got a piece of ginger, 2 pieces of garlic, and some peas. Oh, I forgot to tell you, in there I have, in this mixture, I have also zested a lime and put in there, for I love lime. Here we've got a tin of bamboo shoots. Here some peanut butter. This is not traditional, I guess, in a Thai green curry, but this is my version. So I'm going to put about a spoon, a dessert spoon of peanut soft. If you want to have crunchy, you know, that's fine as well. So I'm going to put that in a bowl. This is my bowl for my sauce. So a spoon of peanut butter. Then I have got a spoon, a dessert spoon of brown sugar. And then in there now, I'm going to put dessert spoon of light soy sauce, half, because this is fish sauce, but this is very salty. So I'm going to put sort of 3/4 of a dessert spoon of fish sauce. And here I have got some Thai seasoning. I'm going to put a good teaspoon in there. Then I've got some Thai basil. Unfortunately I haven't got the fresh one. I'm going to put the same amount, a good teaspoon of that in there. So with that I'm going to really massage all these goodies together. I might add a little bit of water. As you can see, guys, I'm not adding any salt because in there is salt, the curry paste, then the fish sauce is already salty, so we're being a bit careful with the amount of salt. In there I'm going to add a little bit of water just to emulsify, because it's a little bit too creamy, too thick. After that we will start cooking. I'm just going to whisk that in. And in here I've got a tin of coconut milk. So we're going to move up here and we're going to start cooking. Right, in there a little bit of sunflower oil goes in there. In there goes my garlic and ginger. Straight in the mixture of veg, mushroom, aubergine, lime zest, might add a little bit more oil, tiny touch because of the aubergine. I'm adding the onions and the other half of these. I'm adding the bamboo shoots. Right. So nice. I'm going to leave that to steam up a bit. Cool. Now I'm adding the stock, not stock, well it's a stock, but at the same time it's the Thai green curry paste in there. I can smell all the garlic, the ginger and the lime zest that I have put in the, that added. So So let the stock melt a bit, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to that, and let that cook slowly for about 5 minutes, and then I will add our other ingredients. 5-10 minutes are approximately up, so I have added my pieces of chicken to this mixture. I'm going to mix that well together, and then this mixture, the sauce that I made earlier, to this. Give that a good mix. Okay, so that's that. About 1, 2, 3, 4 coffee lime leaves. Crumble them in there. Oh, I love coffee lime leaves. I wish I had a tree at home. There is that, and I would love to have a curry leaf tree. Right, it will melt. So I'm going to leave that to simmer for around until the chicken is cooked, probably another 10 to 15 minutes. Maybe another 10 minutes, guys, yeah? Right, let that to simmer nicely for 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, okay? This is the sauce reduced now, and I'm going to add my tin of coconut milk to that. And I'm going to add my little peas in there as well. Right. We'll have a taste of the sauce, and this is going to bubble for no more than 10 minutes now. Feel free, guys, to put whatever veg you want. Some put, I've seen other recipes, they put asparagus, mange too, green beans. Some add also potatoes in it. So this is Bunny's version. I say the peanut butter, it's not traditional, but that's my version. I invented it in my kitchen here, and you know, with what I had. So let's taste the sauce now, and I'll tell you whether it's okay. Perfect. This is why I said earlier, when you put stock, like concentrated curry paste or a stock in a dish, be careful with the amount of salt, and don't forget I've added some fish sauce as well, quite salty, and some light soy sauce. All that adds flavor, so you don't want it to be overly salty, but you want to taste every single spice or ingredients you have put in the sauce. I got a little bit, a hint of this lime zest. I got a little bit of this peanut nutty flavor. Also a bit of sweetness at the back. The fish sauce as well. So everything, a tiny bit of the Thai spice. There are some ingredients. The basil, the Thai basil, and also the coffee lime leaves, which gives the dish quite a nice fresh flavor. Ideally, at the end you would add a bit of coriander, fresh coriander, but I don't. Teddy is not too keen on fresh coriander. I love fresh coriander, so I'm going to put probably a couple of little teaspoons of them at the end. So that's it, guys. We are more or less done. I'm letting that bubble a little bit more. We're going to eat that with some rice. There's some basmati rice bubbling away there. So I'm going to add this coriander thing now a bit. So 1, to you see I've washed my spoon, so I'm going to give it a taste. Looks a bit more like a green curry now. So let's have a look. Let's have a taste. Yes, perfect. All that I'm going to do, I might add a little bit of corn flour to thicken the sauce. I've added a little bit, I don't know how much, I think 2 teaspoons of this thing there. Thickening granules, just for it to be a bit more creamier, a bit more thicker. Right, curry is done. I'm going to switch that off. And we're waiting for the rice to cook. It won't be too long now. And dinner will be served shortly. There we are, guys, the finished product. This is our Thai chicken curry, bunny style. So we're going to have a little taste and see whether I've passed. Right, I love lime. I'm going to drizzle a little bit on that. Oh, love that. And then let's taste a bit of everything.
Oh dear. The
It's
pressure.
No pressure at all. Oh, this is so nice. It's vibrant, it's fresh, ideal for a Sunday evening meal. Bon appetit. Give that a go, guys. Very simple Thai green curry by Bunny. I hope you like it. Good night. See you in another video very soon. Bye.